today's video, I am filming my #1 top requested video. You guys have been requesting this for years, actually. I never got around to doing it at the time, so I'm doing it now. I'm basically filming a house tour for you guys. If you guys have been subscribed to this channel for a while, you will remember when I lived here. So I know I'm gonna get a ton of questions as to why I no longer live here. This house is amazing, it's huge, it's beautiful, and I absolutely love it. It is completely my dream home. And to be completely honest, living in such a large place by yourself gets extremely scary. This house is in an amazing, like super nice area. However, it is not in an area that's really close to my friends and family, so I was kind of like on like the outskirts, as most of you guys would say. And now where I'm living, I am so much closer to my grandparents, which is really important to me. They're both in their 80s, they're getting older, and they just love too that I'm like so much closer. So that was kind of it. This area just isn't the most convenient place to live in, and I didn't like living in this huge house by myself. And before we jump into the video, I'm not really showing you guys a house tour of like a fully furnished, super nicely designed home. When I moved out of here, the woman that moved in after me actually lost her home in a fire, so she needed some furniture. So what I did was I kind of just left a lot of the things here that I wasn't using. So you guys may recognize some of the furniture and some of the DIYs around, but I'm just kind of showing you guys so you could see like the layout of the home. I didn't personally decorate this. This is just kind of like how she has her place decorated. So I think that just about covers everything. Now let's jump right into the house. When you first walk in, this is just the entryway. You have your fireplace right there, which is cool. You can see it right when you walk in. And then this little piece of marble here, and then you can almost see all the way up there to the master bedroom, which is cool. Then I just have some of my stuff right there, which usually wouldn't be here. And then over here we have the living room. So I'm not too sure if it's gonna pick it up on camera, but this living room area is like so huge. So you have like this living room area over here, and then it goes all the way down into like this really large like dining area, I guess you would call it. So you almost have like extra space in the middle here to do something, and then those double doors lead off to the backyard. So this is just what's in here. If you guys remember that coffee table, and then my little IKEA side table is still here. So that's just pretty much the overview of the living room. I love it because it's super well lit, so it was great to be able to film videos in here. So then off of this little dining area, you have this full little sitting area right in front of the fireplace, which I absolutely loved. The only thing right here is you would always like fall down because it is like a step. That's why you'll see there's cones here just to make sure that you like don't fall over. But then it also does have this full little wet bar area, and then on this side I believe there's like a built-in wine rack. So this was just a little fun added bonus area to have, which I absolutely loved. You guys remember when chevron print was like totally in? Those are like all my old pillows that I left here, but I absolutely love that little space. It was super nice and cozy to just sit in front of the fireplace and like edit videos or study. And then again, going through the dining area, which is currently empty at the moment, this is just like an overview of the little backyard that you have. And then this is one of those like swinging doors that leads into the kitchen. So it's kind of cool because you have two entryways to the kitchen. And then in here, we just have the guest bathroom, which I like absolutely adore. This sink, I love the little setup in here. So I love the fact that there is a little bathroom downstairs for when you have guests over. So then you also have a little built-in dining area, which is like a little like breakfast kind of nook thing in the kitchen. If you guys remember, I used to film all my challenge videos when I did them like in front of those little large utensils. I think I got those from like Marshall's or Pier 1, but this light was already like built into the home. So they have like a little matching dining area, which again, then kind of just matches the entire kitchen, which I absolutely love this kitchen. It's definitely not my particular style, but having this like refrigerator I thought was like the coolest thing ever. So it's one of those like built-in refrigerators. So that is the kitchen. Now moving on upstairs, which is where the bedrooms are. And then we have right here the master bedroom. So it has like the little double door entry. And this is what used to be my old bedroom. Now that I look at it, this queen bed is like so small for this room. I definitely would have designed this room completely different, but as you can see, this is like the old bed that I had. If you guys remember, my old dresser, and then my DIY studded IKEA table, my old desk. So she definitely used a lot of my old furniture in here. It's so crazy to see everything in here again, but I will link down below my actual room tour of what it looked like then, just so you guys can get like a better idea of what it looked like. And then over here is like, it's a his and hers closet. So this is like the his closet, I would assume. And then coming back in here, this is like also probably my favorite area of the house. This is my old bathroom, which is honestly the size of my new apartment. So you have the double sinks, that's my phone. And then you have a separate bathtub and shower. And then over here you have a separate little area for the toilet. So there I am, but this is the old bathroom. I don't know exactly how many square feet this is, but this was like a dream. And then over here, I just have like the little ledges around the tub. And then, if you guys remember, this bathroom was like totally beach themed. I think I have a bathroom tour, but that's a little piece that I had from it. So also in the bathroom, which I always found to be a little weird, ignore the tape. They just like had to repaint in here. This is my old walk-in closet. And then moving on to the second bedroom, this is what it looks like. Again, I love it. There's just so much light. It's so bright in here. Another feature that I really love is it has this window in the room that kind of opens up to the center of the house. Like the room is this bright and the front window is like halfway open. So this is just an overview of this room. If you guys remember this DIY lampshade that I made, this is like one of my first DIY projects when I first started doing DIYs, because if you guys remember when I lived in this house, my channel was more so like a fashion channel. And then over here you have the sink, hello again, another mirror. And then over here you have somewhat of like a petite walk-in closet for this room. And then this bathroom is like really good to me because it's already all white. And my favorite thing about this bathroom is even though it's not like super updated, just having it already be all white is awesome. And you can easily just like fix some of the fixtures in here. Like you can make this bathroom be super amazing. I forgot how amazing the lighting is in here, but that is just the completed house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to move back here so bad now because I did that. But again, if I could like chop this house from the ground and move it somewhere else, that would be amazing. But as far as everything goes in this home, this is definitely my dream home just because of the layout, and it has like good bones. You can fix a ton of the stuff in here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video now that I finally got it up for you guys. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!